You ready to shred? If somebody can kickflip this, that will be incredible. Oh! Bro, get in the way of my yak! Oh, he missed it.
I gotta figure out how to throw it.
Oh!
Did it. Hey, here's my paddle. Or we could just go to Fremont.
20 bucks says we're getting kicked out of Fremont the second we pull this out.
Well, we just got to keep it in the car until then. And then we'll go to Union City again.
Right. Let's go shred a real park.
What's in my trunk, episode 3.
Oh, air! We decided, well, let's go to Union City. We show up and there's a full-blown rollerblade competition going on. Gabe says he doesn't care and we're gonna crash it.
This is my skate park, Aaron.
Oh God, is that the Braille guy?
Yeah. What is this even? Is it a smaller kayak?
It's an emotion.
I don't think we're gonna be able to top the last video. Making waves at the skate park.
I want to do it down the stairs real quick.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. The creek's right there.
I know, let's take it to the creek.
Maybe.
We need to take it to the creek before we break it.
Full send.
Why did you do that?
No!
What was that all about? You're supposed to let go. You're supposed to let me full send it.
Run it back! Firecracker on his butt.
Making waves at the skate park.
I didn't mean to do that.
Let go and let it just send itself, okay? Now.
Wow! Wow. Oh gosh, that was cool.
You should have kept going, Aaron. How about this?
All right, let's put him up here.
Oh God.
You ready?
No.
Oh, dude, that's so steep.
If somebody else wants to try, have fun.
He's trying to get pitted, dude. He's trying to come up, hit the lip, bah, come down, carve out like, bah.
That looks pretty fun.
It's easier standing up.
Wow.
Oh, we're both going? Yep.
This is really cute.
Timber!
That's fun.
That was majestic.
That's fun.
You fully got it. Oh, it's a fakie! Aaron, you gotta try it.
Why do I gotta try
Because we've all tried it already.
After the last kayak video, I can't survive another one.
You guys are animals!
Oh, this isn't okay. You wanna go first?
Yeah, no, just let me do it on my own.
Here you go.
You're gonna need that.
Oh, wait, hold on.
I'm so glad we both didn't do that.
Hey, try to hit the rapids right here. Come down this and then come down this one.
Oh, combo.
You know, it reminds me of that scene of Home Alone where he takes the sled down the stairs.
Oh! Oh!
I tried really hard right there. Let's let Breaker of Locks do it.
Let me see, I'm plotting my course. Someone get my sextant. Hold your breath.
I'll be going. We made some stupid videos, but this is the top of the line.
This is the best of the best. Oh!
You almost died.
Oh yeah, Carlos. This thing is taller than you.
It says max capacity 150 pounds.
Oh no.
Yeah!
Am I alive?
Aaron, you can try it?
I did already.
No, you can try that one?
No.
What?
I'll take it to the river though.
You're all talking about the river. Why don't we actually go to the river?
Let's go.
I feel like I'm gonna hit my head somehow. Wasted, bro.
Wasted. Dude, this thing is tough.
Yeah.
It's not like that last one. The last one was in 3 pieces.
I told you, the
by
best
this time.
purchase we've ever made.
No.
That was brilliant.
I'm Aquaman, bro.
That looked incredible.
Yeah.
Oh.
you want to go in the kayak, Bear? He's like, nope, no thanks.
All right, Aaron, you really taking this?
You don't believe me? This is like kayaking to the next level. Street kayak. You want to try the slide?
Whoa! What? Oh no.
This is awesome. If I was less than 150 pounds, come on.
Tempted to do.
You're seriously gonna need this though.
Yeah, that's how you get back.
Oh, you guys suck. Oh god. Go, just push. Oh god.
Oh! Get up front, get up front, get up front. There you go. There you go.
Oh, dude, my butt is wet. You guys suck.
Paddle!
Turn around. Oh, my butt is wet.
Paddle! You're fine! Oh, those ducks coming in hot. Paddle and get those ducks! Yes! Look at him!
That 150-pound limit is no joke. If any of us got on that, we'd sink.
Somebody take my wallet.
Oh no!
So ill.
You're pretty
Not
fast.
fun though?
You're pretty fast.
Kind of fun?
Oh god. Get me out of here. Yo, seriously. Okay, this is gonna be the hard part. I need somebody to like really pull me.
Got you, bro.
Oh.
Heavy duty yakking.
Wait.
Oh my god, that was too much.
Thank you. You cannot do that without getting wet at all.
Making waves at the skate.
My butt's
Making waves in the river. Someone do a flip. No. Oh!
Trucks?
How are we gonna put trucks on it?
Just drill straight through.
All right, let's put trucks on it. Oh, you gotta film that. Is this gonna work?
Probably not.
Oh, that's pretty solid actually. Why do I feel like this is kind of cool? Wow, it's really on there. I didn't think it was gonna work. Oh yeah, dude, that looks sick. Wow, it's in there. It's the best creation we've ever made.
I know.
Beautiful.
All right, she is complete. Ah, la 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 la
Look at
la
this,
la.
man. We need all the photos for this.
Go around. Oh. This is like a tank. This thing's sick.
It's very wet though.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness!
Finally.
I think we finally done it. I think we have finally done it. I just got off the phone with Chief. He said this is it.
That didn't work. I feel like a 5-year-old carrying his wagon filled with toys.
Yeah!
I'm telling you, man, this thing's smooth.
It was actually more dangerous when we didn't have wheels on it.
I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Mush.
Hitting the whitewater rapids.
That was disappointing.
You gotta roll in this. No, cause there's a bank on the other side. Push you up the bank and then you come in.
Okay.
Oh yes! This is it!
This is the scariest thing ever.
You think he's gonna make it?
Yeah, he'll make it.
Alright, Uzi, you got it!
Either that or the trucks will get hung up like this. Dead.
Alright, you guys, you got it. Yeah! Success!
It worked a lot better than I thought.
I think you need to go faster.
Another one?
Yeah, one more.
Okay.
Push me even faster. No. Just air into it.
No.
Oh my god! That was good.
Dude,
I specifically said I don't want to air in. Are you okay? Yeah. Making tsunamis at the skate park.
Oh my god!
Dude, you almost landed it.
Look at mine.
Let's land
Round
it.
three,
You
round
got
three.
this.
My whole body came off the kayak. Dude, he fully hit my camera. Dude, props, man. Rowan, good pushing. That was amazing. We can't top that, Aaron.
Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed that video. We had a blast making it. This is probably one of the most incredible things that we have ever made. Leave it in the comments below what you would like to see us skate next. And you know what to do, hashtag notification squad, we'll pick the winner, send you guys a prize package. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the absolute best. I appreciate your guys' support every single day. I'll see you in the daily video tomorrow. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below.